Hello all, welcome to our channel. This question regarding how you can drive traffic on your Google Map location from Facebook and Instagram. Suppose how you have the Google Map location is there. That Google Map location, I have to reach more traffic about your location for something about your service or your product related anything. What are the your given that people will be reaching? They can see your poster. When you click the link, they come into your Google Map location. We have a number of options are there. Google Map location is there and website also there, and we can share for any link will be there. But right now I'm using for Google Map location. First of all, I'm selecting for my Google Map location is a rakettechsolutions.com. Okay, I'm selecting will be go to the maps. Okay, if you go to the maps, the option name is called share link. Copy the link here. And what are the Facebook and Instagram? So how to use it? Simple method. Go to Facebook Business Shoot. The option name is called Create a Story option. And here one logic is there. The story can link visible only for mobile users. Click for Add Media. In Add Media, what are the image we have designed previous? Select image will be here. There will be swipe link. Link will be copy. Both Facebook, Instagram will be visible. Viewers, Facebook will be able to swipe your visit the URL. The future not supported by Instagram. The reason is called this is a separate platform we can using for Instagram linking purpose. Now it is using for click for story along with Google Map link. So what will happening? So when customer we can see on the story on Facebook, if we click here, so there is not updated story. Once it updated, the story we can see the customer here is that view story. Click for see more. When I click for see more, they go to Google Map location. But mobile will be Instagram will be complete mobile version. But Facebook will be mobile and desktop version. So this is the method you have to follow it to the engage audience from your Facebook story. So this platform compulsory you have to follow it and increase the viewers on your Google Map and increase the reviews also. So this is the platform will be follow it and increase the users on your Google Map location. Don't forget it. Use your story by using Facebook Business Shoot and update it and increase the Google Map location users. So if any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.